Just happened? Tell me.
I caught a 7-pounder.
Okay. Holy crap, dude. Look how big he is.
That's a big fish, man.
Look at me. Oh, look how big he is. Alright, bye, baby.
Yes!
Hadn't even been videoing that whole time. Alright, show us your... That reminds me of Thor throwing his hammer. What you got? Show me. Come show me. Don't get a hook in you.
We got a tetanus shot.
Huh?
We got a tetanus shot.
Sweet. Play some hooks, be good to go. Good job.
Actually gotta do that.
Sell it to Ethan for $3 after you clean it up. Whoa, look at that. That's a crazy weight on there.
It's a Ned rig. Jig head.
Oh yeah? Really? Really? We're gonna make you YouTube famous for that. Run, Forrest, run. Especially if he starts running right now.
No, he ain't gonna run.
Looks like a piece of rail. Maybe.
A lot of times it'll be hung up in a snag and you pop it out. A metal bone?
A metal bone?
Yes. Oh, that broke.
Another nail.
There was a nail in the history.
The heck is that? That's a spring.
Very good spring.
Well, there's something big right there, boy. Oh, I don't know what this is, Eli. Oh, I missed it. It was huge.
The fact that you got to blow it up, that's good.
Oh, I see oil coming out of it.
A motor?
Look at the oil.
Gas can? A generator? That would be good.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Is that it for sure?
It's an anchor.
Oh, that's awesome. That's a good find.
Heck yes, they're good. Huh? Grab it.
You want me to jump in?
Grab it.
I'll jump in.
No, remember where it's at? Catch it with the your magnet. Please grab it. You better be glad you got it.
Me? I want him in
I was testing you. Dude, that's a big old anchor. That might be the best find ever. You not gonna pull the rope up for me?
Serious?
Hold it up.
You need to get that camera skills straight.
I know.
Can't turn it.
Well,
Can we
that's
give
pretty
that
funny.
Can we give that back to somebody?
No. What else you got on there?
It's gonna go in my room.
You're not missing your license plate, are you?
I saw that. You're kind of making me want to look now because mine's zip tied on there.
What?
Called fidget spinner.
What?
It doesn't work. Camera doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Oh, we can clean that up.
Called a fidget spinner. That's awesome.
That's pretty cool.
I don't. It's a metal one too. Those are hugely expensive.
You sure that's a fidget spinner?
Yeah. Probably gonna hit my neck.
Huh?
Probably just gonna hit my neck.
That's okay. Still be double power.
Oh yeah, your rope hit mine. You're pulling. Oh, you made me get off of it. No. I'm gonna hear the clink. Oh, it's coming.
Holy crap, it's coming. What is it?
Oh, no. Oh, no, I didn't lose it. Oh, man, this is big. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Is it a stick?
What the heck is it?
Oh, wait, there's...
It's a stinking brush pile. What's the matter with you? It's probably the biggest white perch pile on the Calcasieu.
Oh, my God. Get out of here.
You're the worst magnet fisherman ever. You even set the hook on it, didn't you? I saw you set the hook.
At least we got to see it. We would have been saying it was all kinds of stuff.
Carla would have ended up diving in there after it, thinking it's a John Lafitte treasure chest.
Well, we can't do it. Nowhere else as usual. Not much.
Watch out. That's the furthest I've ever thrown in my life. Eli, what up, dog? It was hot today. We didn't fish. Well, we did fish. We just didn't fish. We metal fished.
Yeah.
What did we do? We magnet fished for a couple hours. Man, we found some. It wasn't our best trip, but one of our best trips. Right? I'm pretty sure I won.
No.
Weight-wise, I won probably.
Weight doesn't matter. Value, I won.
Value you, your stupid fidget spinner. Okay, so there's our loot for the day. We're gonna clean some of it up. Show us what we got, Eli. We got us a strap. Yeah, strap. Oh, cool. We got some headphones. Those look like some noise canceling wireless headphones. That's pretty cool. An assortment of hooks, an assortment of nails. The wrench is very cool. That looks like it hadn't been in the water too long. I'm gonna clean that up and throw it in my arsenal. Eli is so proud of his rattle trap. He's gonna probably be waxing it up tonight. We'll replace the hooks on that. There's our hooks. Bud Light. I was pretty happy to find this. It looks like a stainless steel lock watcher. I'll use that for something, I'm pretty sure. Can opener. Hold that can opener up, Eli. That looks like it's probably been in the water for a good little bit.
10, 15 years.
Yeah, our best stuff is in the front. That is why I won.
No.
That is looks like about a 20 or 30 pound anchor. I'm going to clean that up just to make sure there's, no cool like Russian markings or Avenger stamps on it or something like that. Eli got a fidget spinner. Hold your fidget spinner up. Hold it up.
Doesn't really work.
Well,
Can't just do that.
we'll make it work. We'll clean that up, throw some WD-40 on it, and paint it pink, and you can carry it in your pocket. Okay. We don't know what that R stands for.
I think a terrorist society or something. Man, somebody needs to help us with that.
And one of the coolest things, we've never found a license plate. So, Sam Houston Jones State Park boat launch. If you lost your license plate, give us a call. It's got a permanent sticker on it. So, y'all probably already got it replaced. But anyway, it's here. I'm not going to clean it up. I'm not going to throw it away. So, I don't know. Pretty good haul. It was hot as heck out there. But we're probably gonna go tomorrow. We have a couple of more spots that we need to go. Any last words? It's time to go take a cold shower. How about that?
Yeah, that's good. That's words.
It's so hot. Hey, I like your shirt too. I just noticed that. You got a channel cat, a Appaloosa cat, and a blue cat. Good things come to those who bait. That's pretty cool.
All
right. Once again, you're the life of the video with all your.
I don't do good with cameras.
We know.
If you had like a hidden camera, like on your shirt or something, I would be doing all kinds of
believe
stuff right now.
we all know you're not good on camera, especially with the big boogie hanging out your nose. All right, thank y'all for watching. I hope it was like not boring as heck.
Probably was.
It'll probably be funny when I throw my magnet in the water.
You better have the GoPro on. And you were yelling at me, boy, you better get that magnet.
All right. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good day. Eli forgot this. What is it?
I have no clue, but it looks really cool.
Yeah. It's
gonna keep it.
It's one of those freaky heads. Like, put it down.
I don't think it's a wobble head.
No, but it sits up right like that.
Yeah, it looks
on the
got
bottom.
those antennas.
That's not
Comment.
antennas. That's what helps it sit up straight.
It's antennas. It's a bug.